Has to say, why is this necessary? Yeah, there are parallels, but the aim of a research, of any research in the natural science or in the humanities, is not to pick random similarities and say, look, this is similar, but you have to say why, what can we learn from that? Why should one undertake this comparative study? Because, well, there are these parallels, but on the other hand, they are very dissimilar. The futurists were a political and artistic movement. Normally it's researchers, it's literary critics and art historians who work on that. And the others, they are a terrorist organization. So the comparisons can appear a little bit random, but I think they're not random, because what I want to demonstrate is the modern character of radical Islam. So I want to deliver an analysis of the phenomenon of ISIS, because I believe that a reading of the most recent episodes of Islamic terrorism and religious radicalization through the lens of futurism can highlight the modern character of these movements. I'll show you a little bit the photos. Not everybody knows the futurists. You see the airplanes almost crashing into houses, into buildings. I want to come back to this afterwards. You see what I'm comparing it with. This aesthetics of dynamism is used a little bit by ISIS. Speed. Through the line, through the what is called line of force, the car is speeding. You can barely see the car. Well, and then you see, I compare it with this. There's a fireball. You see the fireball, and then the other one is called Elasticity by Botz-Bornstein. So there is a fireball, it's a depiction of the fireball. I see a certain resemblance here where the marching soldiers. Something else, I won't talk about this here, but I have it in the book, and I think it's interesting, makes things clearer. I contrast futurism, the concept of futurism, with cyberpunk. You see you see the difference. Cyberpunk, if you look at science fiction was futurist. That means very optimistic. Technology was good. Technology was able to produce, to bring us towards a bright future. It all finished after the Second World War. More particular, I think it finished with the nuclear bomb, where the depiction of technology became dark and cynical, and then you have cyberpunk, you know, Philip Dick and William Gibson. So my idea is to say that